In today's video, I will teach you how to change the size of your icons in GIMP. Let's get started. First, open GIMP on your computer, then go to the Edit menu located on the top menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This opens the Preferences dialog box where you can customize various settings. In the Preferences dialog, navigate to the Interface section on the left sidebar. Then click on the small triangle or plus sign right next to the interface if it's not already expanded. Under the Interface section, select Icon Theme. This opens the icon settings where you can change the appearance of your icons. In the Icon Theme settings, look for the Custom Icon Size option. If it's not visible, click on the drop-down menu and select Custom Icon Size. Then use the slider to adjust the icon size. Moving the slider to the right increases the icon size, while moving it to the left decreases it. Below the slider, you'll see 4 preset options: small, medium, large, and huge. Choose the best one that suits your needs. The medium size is generally a good balance for most users. And after adjusting the icon size, click the OK or Save button at the bottom of the Preferences dialog to apply the changes. This ensures that your new icon size settings are saved and will be in effect the next time you use GIMP. Now close the Preferences dialog by clicking OK or simply return to the main GIMP window. Your icons will now be resized according to your chosen settings, making the interface more comfortable to work with. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.